If you are about to renovate your home, or you're already in the middle of one, this is exactly how I manage every project from start to finish, and how we avoid the mistakes that cost people time, money, and of course, their sanity. I'm Becker with Built by Becker, and whether it's a kitchen, bathroom, or full home renovation, this is the exact system we use to take a project from the idea to the completion the right way. Phase 1, planning and foundation. Every successful project starts with a solid plan, and this is where most people go wrong. First, we define the budget. What's realistic? What's ideal? And what's the max investment? Then we map out the vision, layout, style, and how the space should actually be used. We take detailed measurements, walls, ceilings, openings, everything. And most importantly, we identify structural limitations early. Load-bearing walls, plumbing, electrical, HVAC. If you skip this phase or rush it, you're gonna be setting yourself up for change orders and surprises later on. Phase 2, function and flow. Next, we design how the space actually functions. We break the space into zones based on how you live, whether it's cooking, relaxing, or working, or possibly entertainment. We focus on flow. How you work through your space and how you live day to day is important. We make sure clearances, spacing, and usability are dialed in. And we build in smart storage because organization that is built in separates a custom renovation from a basic one. A space can look incredible, but if it doesn't function, it fails. Phase 3, systems and infrastructure. This is the backbone of every renovation and where experience matters most. We lock in electrical, outlets, lighting plan, switches, smart home integration. We handle plumbing, water lines, drainage, shutoffs, and we plan HVAC and ventilation to make sure the home feels as good as it looks. If this part isn't done right, you'll feel it every single day after the project is done, and that's not fun. Phase 4, design and material selection. This is where the vision really comes to life. We select finishes, cabinetry, flooring, countertops, tile, paint colors, millwork, all of it. We coordinate the materials so everything works together, not individually. We layer lighting, ambient, task, and accent, and we choose fixtures and details that match the level of the project. This is where design and construction have to work hand in hand. Phase 5, execution and project management. Now we build, and this is where I stay heavily involved. We bring the right trades for each phase. We manage scheduling, timelines, and inspections. We oversee quality control every step of the way. This is where most projects fall apart. Lack of communication and lack of oversight. Final details and completion. Last step, the details that make the project feel finished, hardware, trim, final paint, lighting, punch list walkthrough to catch everything that's just not perfect. We have an entire team dedicated to punch out, and that I feel is something that most contractors don't offer, and it's a suggestion that I make to anyone in the trades. We want to make sure that the space is clean, complete, and ready for you to enjoy. Bonus tips. 3 things I tell every client before starting a renovation. Always see full materials in person. Samples can be misleading. Never rush the prep work. Everything depends on the foundation. I know everybody wants to get their project done in a quick and orderly fashion, but there are certain things you have to take time for. And plan every inch, because small mistakes turn into big regrets. So if you're sitting on a project right now, a kitchen, a bathroom, a full home renovation, and you want it done the right way by a team that actually manages every phase you just watched in this video, my team at Built by Becker is taking on a limited number of projects this season. So if your build matters to you, don't wait. Book the call and let's build something that you're gonna love for the next 50 years. And if not, and you're just looking for a little guidance or a little management of your project, you can also check out the link in the description for those details. Thank you so much. And as always, we appreciate you for being part of the Built by Becker family.